Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing battery kill switch for the Roadrunner because it keeps draining all the batteries and we don't need that happening no more.
So we had a little issue with this car. It keeps draining the battery. If we leave it, so my dad has to unwire it and hook it up all the time and stuff, and it just sucks. It was in storage and he forgot to take the battery off. It killed the battery, like drained it completely. Where we had the car, we jumped the car, but it wouldn't stay running. Like it ran with the alternator, but as soon as I turned it off at the gas station, it died. So we got this. They're about 40 bucks. They're pretty cool. I got one on my Roadrunner. So there's a key switch. Gives you on and off. So when he wants to drive it, he can hit on. It'll put power back in the car completely. And he can drive it, whatever. When he wants to park it and he's not going to drive it no more, all he has to do is hit off. It'll disconnect the power from the battery to the car. And his battery won't be draining all the time. So we'll show you how to install this real quick. It'll be pretty cool.
Hit the subscribe, share, and don't forget to click the notification button. I'm going to be the one to install this.
You need a half-inch wrench? Okay. Go in here. I'm gonna put it right here. Like that. Hold on, almost tight. So you're gonna tighten that one. This way. Or you can use this one. You know what? I think this is metric. Oh no. Okay, go.
Oh.
Give it one more just to be nice and tight. No, we gotta go back right here. Right there. Go. Again. Alright. I think it's good. That's good. That's good. We don't want to break it. That's good. That's good. So now this one is gonna go here and tighten that one.
Are we loosening or tightening it?
Well, tighten it. But this doesn't look like it's gonna. Maybe we could. Maybe.
Oh.
I have to open it a little bit.
So this is minus and that is
Positive. Hey, put your hands off the car, buddy. No, I'll stretch it. Try to open it.
You want me to?
You have to stay like that. We're gonna have to buy a grandpa a new one because it doesn't want to.
Can I do the rest?
Yeah, hold on. I'm just trying to get it because it's really That's gonna be good. Okay. This one's not tight enough.
I tightened it.
Yeah. I'm gonna loosen it up again. Okay. Go ahead and tighten it.
That?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, you gotta make sure it's in. You gotta make sure
That's what I'm trying to do.
you're not doing it. Uh-oh.
You good?
You gotta be careful.
Oh, it's because he was.
Cut it.
It stinks.
I know. Find a 13mm.
So 13 millimeter wrench or
Yeah, I think it's metric.
10 millimeter. What are these for?
Here, go right here. Go to.
Gotcha. So now it won't spark.
Okay, tighten it. You got it?
This is much easier.
Yeah, but I think that's good enough.
Oh, yep.
Okay. And now we're gonna loosen this one.
I better back up.
And put this wire in there.
What? There's wire.
Right here. Push it,
Oh.
push it.
Then something was wrong with the cut.
Okay. Now tighten it, tighten it. Yeah.
I'm gonna change up to here.
Alright, that's good. It's tight. It's tight. That's tight. We're gonna have to change that one. Buy a new one.
why is that not on?
Oh,
Why is that not on?
see.
Oh,
So now you have the remote.
What's
The
that
power.
for?
And now the car has power. And then if you want power off, let's say we're done, but your grandpa's not gonna drive it anymore. It's gonna be parked. Hit the button off. Got the power off.
Like running?
That's in grandpa's keychain. What's up? Go give that back. Wait, no. Those are the Roadrunner. These are the Mustang.
I was about to say, are you sure? Yeah. Yeah? Did I? Ooh, nice acorn.
No power. Bring it over here, Joe. Ooh. So, little breakdown of it. So, right now we have no power. And then on, we got power. I see he's not gonna drive it anymore. He's gonna park it for a couple days. Power off. So, it's pretty cool. If you guys have a car that's draining the battery, it's an old muscle car. I don't know what's draining the battery in this car. We changed distributor, we changed alternators, most of the stuff, but something keeps draining the battery. Now with this, he doesn't have to tighten the battery every time he wants to drive it. It was just power on, power off. And then this goes on his keys, so pretty cool. So that'll wrap her up for this weekend. We got the Roadrunner. We got the stuff for my Roadrunner, we got the gearbox, steering gearbox for it. We got the whole bottom suspension for it. But I've been sick this weekend, and then we got the boat back, put all back together. We got that on the water. So check us out. See you guys later. Peace.